Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use dual screen on iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to enable dual screen setting on iqoo phone at one time. Friends, you want to use two screen on your device. So how to use, let's see in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your iqoo phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, click on icon while shortcut setting. After on shortcut setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your icon mobile. Accessibility, one hand mode setting, flash notification setting. Friends, click here second option, smart speed setting, enter split screen setting. And friends, you can see in a split screen app, swipe up with three finger to turn on split screen mode. So guys, your split screen setting is disabled, so enable your slide up with three finger to split screen mode setting. After enable it, friends, click on YouTube app, and friends, use your three fingers, swipe your screen will split, and friends, you can use dual screen. So guys, I will on guys one more app. So friends, I will on Chrome app. Friends, you can see with YouTube app, friends, we can use Chrome app, we can use dual screen. And friends, you can adjust your screen. Friends, you want to increase your Chrome app screen, so you can increase your Chrome app screen. Friends, you want to increase your YouTube app screen, so you can increase it. So like that friends, you can adjust your screen and you can use it. And friends, you want to use guys your Chrome app with Google app. So friends, on your Chrome app and guys split your screen, and friends, click on your Google app. So friends, with Google app you can use your Chrome app. So like that friends, we can use dual screen setting on iqoo mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.